Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video, we covered preventing duplicate records. Now let's move to the next scenario. Updating child records when the parent record is updated. So understand the today's scenario first. Whenever the account industry changes, update all related contacts and set their description field to update due to account industry change. So for that, first of all, understand the trigger context variable. First of all, 𝗧𝗿𝗃. 𝗧𝗿𝗃 returns true when the trigger executed after the all record gets saved. Means Trigger.isAfter always say the trigger is running after the record is saved. And now old. So old return a list of old version of the SObject records. And this SObject only available for update and delete trigger. And now oldMap. OldMap is the map of IDs to the old version of the SObject record. This map is only available in update and delete trigger. So what is the difference between old and oldMap? Old is a list of SObject and where map is a map of ID and SObject. And old contain old values before update and map where key is the record ID and value old version of that record. And for old, we use only for update, delete, undelete trigger. And old map we use when we want to compare old and new values. Without wasting more time, now let's get start our coding. This is my developer console. I have created two files. One is for trigger named account trigger, another is for helper class named account helper. On trigger, I have right here after update. In this case, when account industry field changes, I want to update related contact description fields. Means whenever we want to perform DML on related objects, that's time we want here after event. So that's why we write after update and also make sure we always write context specific code like Trigger.isAfter and Trigger.isUpdate, and whatever condition we write inside the if, that will be always return true only for after update event. And after that we write here class name helper class name dot which method I have defined, and after that I have passed Trigger.new with Trigger.oldMap. Here for new SObject record and old map, always check the new with old value. That's why I have passed old map. And now let's time to coding. Here first list of account acc list with map of ID with account with old map. Always make sure write try catch block. If any error occur, we can hold in the catch block. And here define one set of ID and iterate through the new account list and also write here old account so old map dot get acc.id. And now check if acc.industry not equal to null and dot industry not equal to old acc.industry, then all account IDs add into the acc IDs. So here, whenever we want to change industry field, then we hold all the account IDs into the acc IDs. And now query to the related fields. List of contact, select ID, description from contact, where account ID in acc IDs, and now iterate through the contact list. Con.description equal to, I will set the value, and here also define one list. Its name new con, and new con dot add con. If not new con dot each empty will check if new con is empty or not, and if not empty, then we want to update new con. So now let's time to testing. I have created one account, test account, and also create contact. And also create another contact. Now first check here, contact description is empty or not. Here contact description is empty. Now I want to change industry field agriculture and save it. Now I want to check related. First of all, contact test. So description field become updated due to account industry change. Now check contact test. This is also updated due to account industry change. So my code is working fine. If you found my video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. I will back with more scenario based questions. Thank you.